G'day, it's Colin from Wurth, and I've got something new to show you today. This is the new Wurth spill pads on a roll. Now, they're 40 metres long, there's 100 sheets, so they measure 40 millimetres by 380 millimetres. Now, the grey one is for water spills, the white one is for oil and fuel and that type of spills. Now, they come in a roll, so we can mount them on a bracket. We have a stand and a bracket that they can be put on, and they're ready to go. You just tear the sheets off when you have a spill and you can lay them down, soak up your water, soak up your oil, whatever it is you're going to do. So now let's go put them on a stand and we'll see them in operation. So that's the new Wurth spill pads in a roll. As you can see, we can mount them on the wall, we can have them on a floor rack, ready to work when you have those spills. Just tear them off and soak up whatever it is you need to soak up. Now, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Don't forget to like our page. And these spill pads, they're ready for work.